Welcome to madecv.com. What is your name and nationality?
My name is Maria Luisa Darong Anito. I'm a Filipino.
How old are you?
I'm 42 years old.
Are you single or married?
I am married.
You are married. Okay, so do you have children?
Yes.
How many children do you have?
Yes, I have two children. I have two children, one boy and one girl.
Okay, so what position are you applying for?
I'm applying for a cleaner.
Okay, when would you be able to start working?
Anytime, if when you when you can employ me, anytime I'm ready.
Okay, so do you have relatives here in UAE?
No,
Oh, okay. Please describe your last job. What was your last job?
my last job is I'm working to a local family in Abu Dhabi. My duty is I'm a lady cook. That time I'm cooking Arabic food, preparing salad according to their orders, and preparing the Arabic sweets.
Okay, so aside from cooking, did you clean the house?
Yes, I know how to clean. I'm cleaning the kitchen and
Yes. Mm-hmm.
the other part of the house.
Okay, so describe how are you going to clean the living room, the kitchen, the bedroom, the toilet, and which part of the house are you going to clean first?
Okay. First, I have to clean the living room.
Mm-hmm.
I wipe all the like tables, all the furnitures like that. Then I will move all the furnitures under the chairs, under the table, behind the chairs,
Uh-huh.
and if if need to use the vacuum, I room. Then I mop the floor. Then after that, the toilet. I will clean. I will use this what's this for cleaning the cleaning materials for that like harpic like that.
Okay.
First the toilet bowl.
Mm-hmm.
Need to put the harpic, brush it. Then the floor. After I will dry. I will dry.
Mm-hmm.
Then the bedroom, it's the same. You need to wipe everything. The table, all the frames, the window, and vacuum the carpet or the floor, or mop the floor.
Okay.
And the kitchen, must make it sure that there's no washing the plates. It's arranged accordingly, that the glasses and the other things in the kitchen.
Okay. So, what would you do if a delivery man came to the door and your employer is not around?
First, I have to ask my employer if they ask to deliver something, if they order something.
Mm-hmm.
Before I open the door, I must let you know my employer first. I don't need to open the door directly.
Okay. So, you worked as a cook. What kind of foods you
Yes.
can prepare?
I'm preparing the Arabic food like biryani, warag inab, matchbus,
Mm-hmm.
and this one I know how to make hummus, all the salads, and the Arabic sweet.
Okay. So, how much is your minimum expected salary?
My minimum is 1,500 up.
Okay. So describe yourself and give a short message to your future employer. Why should they hire you?
Uh, I'm I'm 5 inches tall, 55 kilo,
Okay.
and
No, give your qualities. What qualities do you have that will make the employer decide to
okay.
choose you? Okay.
Okay. So my prospective employer, I will assure you that I will do all the duties and responsibilities as a household worker. Like,
Mm-hmm.
and you can trust me. You can trust me with all the works in the house.
Okay. So please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you for MaidCV.com. Thank you.